Today, we're taking a look at these compression packing cube bags. If you're traveling, this is going to be great. You can put all your clothes in and it will stay super organized in your suitcase. I'm going to tell you everything you want to know about these, show you what they look like, put some clothes in them, and yeah, let's get into it. So this is what it comes like right over here. All the bags fit inside of here. So that's a really nice feature of this. So you don't have bags all over the place. They do come with handles. It has this nice little mesh right over here, which is really nice. This could be great for backpacking if you're traveling. So let's take a look at all the different sizes and what we're gonna get over here. So you're gonna get a 6 pieces of this. One, you're gonna get a large cube, which is about 16 by 16 by 4, a medium cube that is 16 by 12, a smaller cube that's 14 by 10, one small cube, a sock bag. So let's kind of take a look at all these different cubes right over here. So you'll see all of them have this mesh. So it's super breathable, which is nice. And this is kind of what the back looks like right over here. So we got the one over here. This is going to be your bigger bag right over here. You'll see everything is kind of labeled nicely as well. Like this would be good for a jacket, which I like. This is going to be good for t-shirts, which we have over here, which we're going to put in here. And everything is just labeled pretty nice. You'll see here, this is the sock bag. So really, really nice organization. And again, they all go fit back in this bag right over here. So let's go to the shirt bag right over here. That's what this looks like. So let's kind of just open this up. This is how the zippers work. The zippers work really, really nicely. So I have two shirts right over here, just folded up. I'm just gonna put them in here just like that. And then I'm gonna zip this up. And you could see here, you could get a lot in here. And this is kind of what it would look like. And what I kind of like about this is like all my shirts are in this bag right over here. This would be really nice if you're hiking or going on a trip or something like that. Let's just say I just needed my t-shirts. I could literally just pull this out. And I do really like the organization that they have on this. So it's like, this is for a jacket. So I do like the fact that if I put all this stuff in a suitcase, I don't have to be like rummaging through everything. Like, where are my shorts or pants? Like, this is the bag that has all that stuff in. And this mesh also lets you see through it as well, which is nice. Again, these do have handles as well. So if you're looking for some great travel organizers that are easy to use, fold up for easy storage, can hold a lot of stuff, makes packing extremely easy, definitely check these out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.